Thank you so much. Ayan, upo muna kayo. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please give a hand for the grand entrance of the parents of the bride. Let's give it up to Mr. Fernando Caalam Sr. and Mrs. Eugemia Recalde Caalam. Alright. Let's go, mommy! And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the grand entrance of the parents of the crew. We have Mr. Marcus Carmelotti and Mrs. Ina de la Cruz Carmelotti! Let's go! And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up to Mr. Marcus Carmelotti and Mrs. Ina de la Cruz Carmelotti! Yeah, come on, guys, come on! Ayun, no? Dance! Parang sila lang yung kinasal. Tama na yan! Thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the grand entrance of our newly wedded couple. Please give a hand to Mr. Sean Paul and Maureen! Let's give them a big round of Okay, stop music. Sean Paul, Aubrey, hindi kayo sumayaw. Balik kayo. Balik. Di pa kailangan sumasayaw. Balik.
Sorry, we're Philippine Wildlife.
Guys, kailangan sumasayaw ang bagong kasal. And then, kailangan doon talaga sa entrance. Sayang yung preparation natin. Ang ganda-ganda pa naman ng ating preparations. Pag sabi ko ng John Paul and Aubrey, pasigabong palakpakan na may kasama. Hoy! Okay ba? Okay. Ready tayo, DJ. 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the grand entrance of our newly wedded couple. Let's give it up for John Paul and Aubrey! Let's go! Proceed to your seats. Before anything else, my dear ladies and gentlemen, we have prepared a surprise grand production number from our male entourage. Palakpakan natin ang ating male entourage. So please have your grand production number. Let's go! Ayan, let's go, I believe kukunin niyo ang group tapos sasayaw kayo. Parang gano'n yung plano. Diba? Let's go guys! Come on, come on, come on! Can I request all our male groomsmen together with our man of honor and best man. Let's proceed here. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Parang nilaready na lang ng music. Ayan. Sa ating mga bisita, ayan, isang malakas ang palakpakan naman dyan from you guys. Let's go! Yeah! Oh, halika kayo dito guys. Kunin nyo na yung group. Ako nang bahala sa music ninyo. Oh! Masyadong excited ang ating setup. But anyways, no problem. Kaya talaga basta Facebook Live. Before anything else, I'd like to request everyone to please make yourself comfortable. Ayan. Isang masigabong palakpakan for Sean Paul and Aubrey. Hey! Palakpakan naman dyan guys. Come on, come on. Ang hindi papalakpak, walang take home. Walang take home. Okay, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Sean Paul, Aubrey, ngayon na ba? Okay. You are so blessed because this moment, merong surprise. The couple has a surprise to all of you. There will be 20 winners of 1,000 each. Please check what's underneath your chair. Come on, guys. Check what's underneath your chair. There will be 20 winners of 1,000 pesos. Oi, we have a winner. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Okay. Okay, it's a prank. Halaka! Sean Paul, Aubrey, hindi nyo naman sinabi sa akin yung mga bisita ninyo, mga mukhang negosyante. Ayan, tignan nyo yung mga katabi ninyo. Mukhang negosyante ba? Ayan, of course, ladies and gentlemen, let's give ourselves a big round of applause. Palakpakan natin ang ating mga sarili. And of course, isang malakas sa palakpakan for Sean Paul and Aubrey! Ano yan, tita? Isang malakas na, hoy! Wow, parang ambulance naman yun. Ayan, Ninong, isang malakas na hoy! Naman siya. Parang ano parang from Bureau of Fire Protection. Anyways, guys, let's make this venue filled with positivity and good vibes. The behind the hoy is actually tinatanggal natin yung mga bad spirits. Ayan, sige nga.
Hi, guys.
Isang malakas na
See you.
hoy!